In some states, dual agency is not allowed. In Arizona, it is allowed. Now, the public typically tends to think of dual agency as the same agent representing both buyer and seller. That's definitely the trickiest type of dual agency. Technically, dual agency exists anytime that both the buyer and seller are represented by the same broker. Now, they might have different agents who answer that broker representing them, but the broker's license encompasses every agent at that brokerage. For example, our brokerage here locally has about 400 agents in it. So if I do a deal where I represent the seller and another agent in the brokerage brings a buyer, dual agency. That changes a few things with your fiduciary duties, what you're allowed to say, and the type of negotiations that we would typically do that suddenly we can't do because both clients are being represented by the same broker and we answer to that broker. Which is probably why it's so difficult and sometimes not allowed for the same agent to do dual representation or dual agency. Because it can be difficult to have those conversations and fight for your client's best interest when technically at that point you represent both sides. So whose best interest is going to win out? That makes dual agency complicated at best. That's one reason why we typically avoid it.